gel, soft gel, soft gel.
Hi guys, I thought I'd show you how to disassemble a G36C. I bought this used, so it might be missing a few screws. Anyway, it's pretty simple, but getting into the internals of a gun, it's kind of a speed bump in your airsoft career. In the beginning, you don't really know what you're doing. So I thought I'd show you what I know at least, and then maybe this will help someone out there. So this is how you disassemble this anyway. It's a small plug here, just like that. And then there's a barrel. And then you just separate this thing to expose the battery cable. Then you will remove this pin. Remove the magazine cover to expose the hop-up. Remove the cables. This is divided into two parts, so if you're tricky you can separate this and then just pull the cables out through here, and then push the hop-up back, tilt this thing up, and there you go. To expose the gearbox, all you do is remove this pin, like so. Then there's a screw here, which you remove like this. Here's the tricky part. Oh, and it just slides out. And that's because, see how this wasn't in safe? There you have it. This is a version 3 gearbox. I didn't know what internals it had when I bought it. If you know nothing about G36s, you won't notice that there's actually a piece missing here. And there should be a selector plate cover here covering this. When I got this gun, it didn't want to shoot at all. The trigger just went to here and then it got stuck. So, knowing nothing about internals, about the gearbox, all I did was fiddle with this little grey plate and the gun started working again. And let's put the battery in and see if it's still working, or if there's a problem we'll have to fix. This will be interesting. Let's see if it shoots. Yes, it works. Okay, let's disconnect it.